Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best HP notebook battery is probably one of the most essential components for keeping your laptop powered up and running, especially when you're on the go or away from a power outlet. A failing or degraded battery can significantly limit your productivity and enjoyment, forcing you to stay tethered to a wall socket. This video will guide you through understanding the importance of a quality replacement battery, what to look for when choosing one, and how to ensure you're getting the best value for your money, ultimately extending the life and usability of your HP laptop. Number 5. TREE.NB Replacement Battery for HP MU06MU09. Ensure your HP laptop stays powered with this high-quality replacement battery. It's designed to be a perfect fit for various HP and compact models, offering dependable performance. This battery is a direct replacement for HP spare part numbers like 593553-001 and MU06. It's engineered for a seamless integration, so you can get back to work or play without interruption. Before purchasing, simply compare the size and interface position with your current battery using our provided diagram. This ensures you get the correct battery for your specific HP model. It's compatible with a broad range of HP Pavilion, Presario, and Compact series, including models like G4, G6, G7, DM4, DV3, DV5, DV6, and DV7. Please verify your model for the best fit. Get a brand new battery directly from the manufacturer, ensuring you receive a quality product. It's ready to provide the power you need for your compatible HP device. Don't let a depleted battery hinder your productivity. This replacement offers a reliable solution to keep your compatible HP laptop running efficiently. What we like. This battery offers broad compatibility with many HP Pavilion and Presario models. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a good fit and performance. If you have an older HP laptop and need a reliable replacement, this is a solid choice. What people say. The battery has a good capacity and lasts for a long time on a single charge. It was easy to install and fits perfectly into the laptop. The laptop recognized the new battery immediately and started charging without any issues. Number 4. NinjaBatt HP Laptop Battery. Bring your HP laptop back to life with a high-quality replacement battery from NinjaBatt. It's made with premium materials and advanced safety features for reliable performance. Experience consistent power that lasts. Our batteries are tested to meet OEM specifications, offering true charge capacity that won't let you down. This battery is designed to be compatible with a wide range of HP laptop models. Check the list to ensure it's the perfect fit for your device. Your safety is our priority. Our batteries are certified and equipped with multiple safety features, including protections against short circuits and overheating. Built with grade A battery cells and top-quality components, this replacement ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Enjoy peace of mind with a 12-month warranty. What we like. This battery is built with premium quality materials and tested to meet OEM specifications, offering true charging capacity. If you're looking for a dependable battery that won't let you down and comes with a solid warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. This battery is a perfect fit for HP laptops, ensuring seamless compatibility and easy installation. The battery offers extended usage time, allowing you to work or play for longer periods without needing to recharge. It provides reliable power delivery, maintaining consistent performance for your HP notebook. Number 3. NinjaBatt Battery for HP Laptops. Bring your laptop back to life with our high-quality replacement battery. Made with premium materials and top-grade cells, it's packed with advanced safety features for reliable performance. Experience true charging capacity that lasts. Our 4-cell Li-ion battery is tested to meet OEM specifications, ensuring it won't let you down. Don't compromise on safety. Our batteries are certified and equipped with protections against short circuits, overheating, and overloads for your peace of mind. Assembled with top-quality components and grade A battery cells, this battery is designed for durability and performance, offering up to 500 charging cycles. We're confident in its performance. That's why we include a 12-month warranty with every purchase, ensuring your investment is protected. This high-performance battery is designed to be compatible with a wide range of HP Envy and ProBook models, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. What we like. Engineered for durability and performance, this battery provides true charging capacity and is backed by a 12-month warranty. If your priority is a high-quality replacement with excellent longevity and peace of mind, consider this option. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for over 8 hours on a single charge. The notebook charges quickly and holds the charge well. It fits perfectly into my HP notebook and is easy to install. Number 2. NinjaBatt battery for HP laptops. Bring your HP laptop back to life with this high-quality replacement battery. It's made with premium materials and packed with safety features for reliable performance. Experience true charging capacity that meets OEM specifications. This 6-cell, 4,400 mAh battery won't let you down, providing consistent power for your device. Don't compromise on safety. Our batteries are certified and include protections against short circuits, overheating, and overloads for your peace of mind. Built with top-quality components and grade A battery cells, this replacement offers durability and performance. Enjoy up to 500 charging cycles. We're confident in its performance. That's why every replacement battery comes with a 12-month warranty for your complete satisfaction. This battery is designed to be compatible with a wide range of HP laptop models, ensuring a perfect fit and function for your device. What we like. This battery offers a higher capacity for longer runtimes, built with top-quality components and a 12-month warranty. If you frequently find yourself away from a power outlet and need extended usage time, this is an excellent upgrade. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for over 8 hours on a single charge. It fits perfectly into my HP laptop and was easy to install. The laptop recognized the new battery immediately without any issues. Number 1. NinjaBatt Pro HP HS04 Laptop Battery. NinjaBatt is excited to introduce its new line of Pro replacement batteries. Designed with premium cells and the highest quality materials, they are built to bring your laptop back to life. Forget about low-cost alternatives. Our 4-cell Li-ion battery, featuring grade premium cells and a smart control chip, is designed to outlast and outperform. This battery is compatible with a wide range of HP laptop models, including the 240, 245, 250, and 255 G4 G5 series, as well as various 15-inch and 17-inch models. Your safety is our priority. Our batteries are equipped with overheat, short circuit, and overload protections for your peace of mind. We stand by our product. Every purchase comes with a 12-month warranty, offering a replacement or a full refund if anything goes wrong. What we like. Introducing a new line of elite batteries with premium cells designed for exceptional longevity, boasting over 1,000 charge cycles. If you demand the longest possible lifespan and superior performance from your replacement battery, this Pro model is the ultimate choice. What people say. The battery has a long lifespan and holds a charge for extended periods. It is a perfect fit for the HP notebook and easy to install. The battery performance is excellent, providing reliable power for daily tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.